Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a Moringa flower soup. For that I have separated the Moringa flowers from the stem. I got the Moringa flowers when I went to Wangani to attend the Braille Day celebration of the partially and visually impaired people along with the Foundry Foundation. You can check the website of Foundry Foundation. You will come to know what we do from the site. Moringa flowers and put it in salt and turmeric water so that to make it insect free, and we have to strain this. While straining, small stems like this will come out, and this kind of stems we should not put it. The ingredients for the soup: 1 onion finely to be chopped, 1 teaspoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon moringa flour, black pepper powder, salt, half tomato I have taken, vegetable stock little bit, butter. The kadai is hot. I am putting little butter in it, the onion, saute this. Till translucent. Now add the moringa flowers. Saute this also for a minute. Add the tomato. Saute this also for 2 minutes because tomato should become little mushy. Now I'll add the vegetable stock which I had kept, and some more water in this. Now we'll cook this in the water. The moringa flower has cooked well and the tomato also cooked well. Now I'm going to add the corn flour slurry in this. After adding the corn flour slurry, you have to keep on mixing this. This is for make the soup little thicken. For thickening the soup, we have to add this. And cook it so that the raw taste will go off. Now add the salt and the black pepper in it. I had added a little salt while sauteing the flour and the tomato. Now our moringa flower soup is ready to serve. I need not tell you the benefits of this moringa flowers and moringa leaves and moringa you all are aware of it. Now the soup is ready. You can serve hot. You can add a little bit of butter on top of it and serve it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.